Hey guys, in this video we are going to look at the history of an unknown community amongst us. It's about Ostagar community. You may have heard the word Ostagar before, but the majority of Kolkatans and Indians may not know them, but we all are some way connected with them. So, who are the Ostagars? It's all started around 250 to 300 years ago, rooting their ancestry in the eastern part of India, which now falls under Kolkata. Ostagars are the local people of Bengal origin dating back to the Mughal era and beyond. These people are the artisans specialized in the art of making traditional clothing. These community worked throughout the period of Raja, Maharajas, and the British colonization and still leading in their fields of cloth manufacturing. They are the leading contributors to the Indian clothing industry. Every 6 out of 10 non-branded or branded clothes are being made by them. Even it's Asia's biggest non-branded clothing market as well as India's largest clothing market for retailers and wholesalers pan-India. Top countries around the world such as Dubai, Bangladesh, African nations as well as Central Asia's countries export an enormous amount every year. They are one of the biggest employment providers in Bengal itself. Apart from all of these, they are only limited to the industry and unknown from the vast majority. The objective of the video is to educate the public about them, comprehend them, and know about their hardship. From far we can see the glory, but from near we can understand them. They came a long way to what they are now. This community is working hard to be helpful and self-sustainable in Indian society. There was time when these people are ridden by famines, poverty, illiteracy. They still lacked in education, but the future generations are getting educated more rapidly. At the time of British, they used to make clothes for the lords and ladies. After the independence, they started professional tailored business supply of clothes all along the gullies of Borough Bazaar to Dharamtala. And slowly and steadily they approached the manufacturing industry, and now customers, wholesalers purchase from them all across India. In the future, they will also be recognized as some of the most respected Marwaris and Gujarati community. Till then, we wish them luck. Please write in the comments section below about how you feel for them. Bye bye, see you again.